This one is for shoulder strengthening. So you have a Theraband, you're wrapping it around the hands kind of like so, and then you're drawing the palms out to the side, rotating from the shoulder, pressing out and then controlling back in. Good. She's doing a really good job not arching her back, which might look like this where the ribs flare out with the movement. So keeping the trunk nice and strong as the elbows stay there and then the arms come out to the side. Perfect. Now bringing the arms up so that your palms are facing the camera. Good. You draw the arms out as if you're touching sides of a tube and you're inside a tube. Drawing out, controlling back in. Again, she's doing a great job keeping the trunk nice and still without the ribs flaring out. And really trying to spin from the shoulders here instead of extending the elbows to create this movement.